everyone, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages in 2023. It's a quick and simple process, so let's jump right into it. First, let's say you accidentally delete a message that you want to recover. Unfortunately, there is no way to undo a deleted message on WhatsApp, but there is a workaround. The only catch is that this method only works if you've already backed up your phone prior to deleting the message. So make sure you have automatic backup going through your phone at all times, as this will save you in the long run. Let's get started. I have this message right here and I need to make it come back. The first thing we need to do is delete WhatsApp from our phone. To do that, go to your phone settings, then come down to general, and then the iPhone storage. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it loads, find WhatsApp. Click on it, then click delete app. It may take a few more seconds to delete the app. Next, head to the App Store and re-download the app. Once it's downloaded, open it and then go through the whole setup process again, including verifying your phone number. It will receive the credentials and wait for iCloud storage to restore your WhatsApp chats. Now that you've restored WhatsApp, go ahead and click on the message that you was deleted. And there you go, the deleted message is back. That's all there is to it. Just make sure the settings are appropriate and that you've already set up WhatsApp to back up your chats. If you haven't already, then you can't really get the messages back, unfortunately. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comment section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.